Dun, dun. Everyone stops at stop sign. Everyone stops at stop sign. What's that? Carton of cigarettes and a bottle of something. Let's see.
Bottle of what?
Some kind of whiskey or something.
Some kind of whiskey?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or something.
Why are you trying to record me?
I'm not trying to record you. I just record everything.
You record everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Okay. I want you to point your camera at it. You see right here?
Yeah.
Look at the. What does it say?
Yeah. Well, I don't.
No cameras.
Huh?
No cameras.
I'm a journalist, and this is my First Amendment right to record.
Yes, it is. Okay. This is what I need you to do. Okay. Pull up on the first booth over here. We're gonna talk about that. Okay. Yeah. Have a good day.
All right.
Park over here, please.
If you'd like, you can call my lawyer at the ACLU.
You see right here? No cameras.
You can talk to my lawyer at the ACLU. Her name's Mitra. Ebadolahi. And David Loy. Call David Loy and Mitra Ebadolahi.
Hello.
Howdy.
How you doing?
Good.
What can I help you with?
I don't know. I was looking for a Daniel Shaver. Have you seen him around here?
Does he work here?
Hmm?
Are you
I don't know. The
Are you
Mesa
recording me with that camera right
the
now?
Mesa Police Department like staged his death, and I was just kind of looking around the
To see if he's
country.
around.
What's that?
Can you answer my question? Are you recording right now?
Yes, I'm declaring my First Amendment right to record, and I'd also like, if you'd like to call my lawyers David Loy and Mitra Ebadolahi at the ACLU in San Diego,
Let me
you can.
advise you something.
Uh-huh.
You have a First Amendment right along with all your other rights.
Uh-huh.
But here
The ACLU's willing to challenge that, your interpretation of the law here, and I'm doing that.
Well, that's fine, and they can do that in the proper procedure.
And they need somebody to do it before they can do that. They had somebody try already. They didn't follow through, and I'm here to follow through.
Okay.
So if
Huh? It is you cannot record.
I've already been told I can record here.
or
I've had the supervisor here tell me I could record right here on the outside of this building.
Okay. Would you like me to show you the law?
I've seen it. I've read it. I've studied it.
Okay. Well, then you.
I'm here to change your interpretation of the law, which I don't think applies here.
This is not the proceeding that you can do that at.
This is where it has to be done.
No, you do it in the federal court system.
No, they tried to do it in the federal court system, and somebody didn't follow through.
Well,
I'm here to follow through.
You have to have patience.
I've got patience.
But you can't come down here and violate existing law.
It is not violating law.
It is violating.
No,
law.
you think it's violating law. I don't think it is. The ACLU says it isn't, and I am here to change that.
I will present you with copies of the law.
I've got the law.
All right, then,
I've read it.
Then I'm telling you.
I'm telling you
Well,
that
sure.
you interpreted the law incorrectly, and your boss said that that it's okay to film out here. He already told me it is.
No,
I'll give you my. Let me give you my card.
Okay, give me your card. Let me have a look at your ID.
Okay.
Okay.
He's got my.
When you are.
He's got my
just a little
passport.
Advice. It's not a point of contention. When you are in this area, the federal.
I know it's being contended, and I'm contending it.
Federal inspection area. Okay, let me see your ID. When you're in the federal inspection area, all right.
Yeah. Well, that's the
basically
it says
the constitutional rights. All right, you have an exception to them. Now, once you are
just because you make a sign, does not make your interpretation correct.
Once you are admitted beyond that stop sign.
Okay.
Okay, the only place in the United States where
idiots interpret the law the way they want to interpret it and try to make me believe your interpretation. I don't believe it. The ACLU doesn't believe it. Your boss doesn't believe it. He came out here and told me I could film out here.
It's not my interpretation.
It is.
I nor you have the authority to interpret law.
Okay, well, your boss said I can film out here.
That is the court's. My boss does not have the authority to make that decision.
Well,
right?
The law says I can come out here and film if I have permission, and I've been given permission.
The law says you can.
Okay.
Long and short of it, if you
I've been given permission to film here. I'm filming here right now.
Well, okay. Then what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to remand you for prosecution with Office of Chief Counsel in Tucson.
I'm ready.
Okay, good. That's what we're going to do. Because you are in violation of federal law. I enforce federal law. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I understand your feelings about it.
I don't care about my feelings. I'm just challenging that law.
I don't disagree with your feelings, but I disagree with the law. You nor I.
Right, I disagree with the law too.
Interpret the law.
Right.
I, as a sworn officer, have no other choice.
Right.
I have to enforce the law. Okay?
That's fine.
So I will recommend you for federal prosecution.
That'd be great.
With the Office of Chief Counsel.
That'd be great.
Okay?
Thank you.
But, so right now, what you're telling me, let me get to see if it's correct. Are you stating exactly that you refuse to cease recording?
I am.
Okay. Then I'm advising you that you are in violation of law.
I'm saying I'm not.
Well,
and there's and your boss said I'm not, and the ACLU said I'm not.
Which boss was it that told you this?
I don't know. He's kind of a geeky looking guy with a short hair, and I got a video of him saying that it's okay to film out here.
But you don't know his name.
I don't remember his name.
Do you have any recollection when this information was given to you?
I could pull it up and show
you.
you.
Don't have any recollection.
Huh?
Okay.
I don't recall. I can give you. I can pull it up right now on my iPod and show you him telling me I could film out here.
The important right now is that you understand that you're in violation of federal law. Okay?
No, I don't understand that. I understand you interpret it. I am. I say I'm not violating it.
I'm telling you, I don't interpret law. I enforce law.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'm willing to let others interpret it.
The courts. Yes,
Yeah, that's
the courts
fine.
have to
That's
interpret.
fine.
But until your opinion prevails, if it does,
It's not my. It's just what other people say. I'm just here
until
to.
that point in time, federal law, existing federal law, is what we actually.
I'm just here to challenge it for the other people, for the lawyers that say it's okay.
Perhaps you're an attorney. I don't know.
I'm not.
But
I don't know law at all, hardly. Okay, I'm just going by what other people told me, other lawyers, and I'm talking about federal law at this port of entry.
Yeah, no. The federal law, you can neither record audio.
No, that's what you've been told to enforce, and that's what you've seen. You've read signs and you believe it.
Show you the United States Code.
I've seen it. I've read it. I've read it 100 times.
It's better than having seen it.
Okay, you can give me another copy. I'd like your copy to keep. That'd be great. It's 41 CFR something.
Yeah, there you go.
042 or 18 or so.
let's say you've researched the law yourself.
Yes.
There's a little handout there.
Okay, thank you.
Right, again. Is this your correct mailing address?
Which one?
Right here on the 945.
Yes,
North
that's correct.
Jefferson? Do you have a phone number that you'd like to have the Office of Chief Counsel make contact with you?
480
480. Here's your passport.
256
256.
2673.
All right, we'll have to get a hold of you, and but you know, like we say, it's not between you and I.
Right.
It is the actual law as
Yeah.
it exists, and it's the court's jurisdiction. So we'll see what happens. But
Okay.
Yes, what I'll be doing is recommending your prosecution
Okay.
for violation of that section of law.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, have a good one.
I appreciate
Be
it.
careful.
Okay.